back at it again for day number 2. Andre decided to stay out here. We're just gonna do some easy stuff, kind of cruise around, see some spots that I haven't seen because I've never been out here, but just to keep them out here with us. Pretty gnarly freaking hit yesterday. I'm really damn impressed with the way I've got everything on this bike set up. Like, the bike itself is unreal. Like, power delivery is a lot like the 350. I mean, there's just more of it, but the same kind of delivery. Super balanced in the rocks. We got into like some pretty rough stuff yesterday. Even like the Motoz RAL Z tires, I thought they were going to be kind of buzzy on the highway coming out here. We did like a 200-mile road ride to get out here, and they're great. Like, no vibrations in the bars, they're not noisy or anything like that, and then you've got all that traction in the dirt. So pretty awesome freaking tire. Took a couple big hits on the P3 skid plate down there. Sorry, Jason. But yeah, overall held it pretty well. And it is sexy as hell. Looks so good. So Robert sent me a text message last night, and he's grabbing himself a T7. I think he's picking it up tomorrow. So that's freaking awesome. We're gonna have 2 T7s in the Broken Enduro Club. So he's been slowly ordering parts like long before he even got the bike. It's pretty awesome. Oh, the campground's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool road. Oh, that wind sucks. It's blowing straight back at us. Yeah, wind's way better now. Yeah, I can actually see the road. I cannot believe how stable these bikes feel. 60 miles an hour on the freaking dirt. I can't believe all the elevation change that we've been experiencing. Like, to go from 0 and we're like 5,000 over that pass, and then back down to 1,000, and then back up to 5,000, and well, this is pretty cool. I mean, I feel like I gotta, there you go, I rode in it. There it is. Riding the T7 in the snow. Oh man, my bike might fall over right there. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, it's a big mule deer. Some pretty good mud ruts. It is so awesome back here. This is not what you think of when you think of Death Valley. I really like the way this motor sounds. Even with the stock exhaust, like I think I'm just gonna leave it. You know, anytime you're doing like any kind of like long highway runs or something like that, a loud exhaust would be annoying. Like Jesse's, he's got that Yoshimura exhaust on there, and it is so freaking loud. Yeah, the pipe on my Harley was really, really loud, and like I have to wear earplugs. So like on long rides, it just starts to drone on you. It wears you out. Like it physically makes you tired. Uh-oh. Getting the camber stuff. My favorite. And then straight in the sand. It's so funny that Colin has everybody saying that now. I keep telling him to make t-shirts. I would totally rock a Camberish t-shirt. Hear that, Colin? You got 2 sold right here, Camberish t-shirts. Brent would buy one, I'm sure. Yeah. It's gotta happen. Time to make up some cost on all the lost cameras and drones and stuff. Dude, you gotta ride this thing. It's pretty awesome how nimble and playful it is. It feels like a big dirt bike. All the maintenance is really easy, and you know, most of it you could do on your own. Yeah, that's a big part of why I like this bike, is because, you know, it doesn't have all the traction control and rider aids. And what's going on here? Did you come into this hot? Or like, yeah?
Yeah, he made it 100 feet, 200 feet.
No! I almost had it! Lost my balance just a touch. Yeah, you guys are better off getting a rut and just stay in the rut. Don't try to go up on that side. Yeah. So this is what we're riding through. There it is. BE in the house. Pretty crazy to think about, like, even if we were on the little bikes, we'd still be doing these roads at the same speed, because like the limitation factor is us, it's the rider. Yeah, this looks a lot like visiting one of the volcanoes in Hawaii. Whoa!
Oh, on your island, yeah. Or no, right at the nose. Yeah. I think there's a trail all the way down, man, if you're really motivated.
Pretty freaking cool. Goodbye, Death Valley.